Did you know, if the Amazon rainforest dies, the Earth could struggle to breathe? The Amazon rainforest controls rainfall across the planet, even in places thousands of kilometers away. It is home to millions of species, and scientists believe many animals there have never been seen by humans. Some tribes in the Amazon have lived there for over 10,000 years without modern technology. Yet they understand nature better than we do. Here's the scary part. Every single minute, large forest areas are destroyed, silently wiping out wildlife forever. Many life-saving medicines come from Amazon plants, and once they're gone, we lose those cures forever. The Amazon is not just a forest, and it is Earth's life support system. For high-quality and well-researched facts like this, like the video, subscribe to the channel and become part of Premium Knowledge.